So this presentation is based on all of our work in the UIC FAM Center in the School of Public Health that I co-lead with Dean Giles and Professor Sage Kim. The premise of this presentation is that health science problems and health problems are increasingly multimodal instead of unidirectional. Two examples, the one on the top left, we have longitudinal trajectory of vaccine administration in the 56 Chicago zip codes, and overlaid are averages of majority Black zip codes, majority Hispanic zip codes, and other zip codes, showing the disparity in vaccine administration. In the bottom, we have what I call Bayesian biclustering of patients and biomarkers, looking at the interactions. And this bottom one took about 10 days of computation in the UIC HPC. So in both of these, we learned substantially based on including social determinants of health. So there are multiple models for social determinant of health. The middle one is a model from UK, and the one to the left is another model based on the county health ranking. I want to point out that both of these models attribute about more than 50% to environment, society, and neighborhood factors. Oops. So the mission of the UIC FAM Center is to make everyone data-driven in health. And what I mean by everyone is us, the researchers and educators, the students, the leaders and policymakers, as well as everyone in the community. We do that by our work in the Atlas. We do that by our work on the atlases, the Chicago and Cook County Health Atlas, as well as our work on data-driven health equity. These atlases are completely open access. These provide universal access to more than 300 health indicators. And these indicators, the indicators that's available, you see that in the word cloud here. And beyond that indicator, we have data on multiple years, on multiple spatial levels, and we also provide visualization as well as data analytic tools in these atlases. So as I mentioned, this is an outreach to do multimodal inference using all these data that we have on the atlases and bring that to your work. Here I mentioned primarily more of our health work, where you can combine this with omics data, with clinical data, with imaging data. I think this provides lots of opportunities, and this also provides lots of challenges, which I find as methods, as research opportunities for data science methods. So there are opportunities for integration of data, which is a major challenge. There are opportunities for looking into how we can generalize these. There are questions about generalizability, and there are questions about transportability. Can we transport these results from one location to another? So some of us have a proposal to the Vice Chancellor for Research to establish a UIC Center Data Science Institute, which I hope will provide a platform for doing some of this. Thank you.